Welcome back to Cringeworthy Overland, where this time I find myself in a region called the Palouse in southeastern Washington and western Idaho. Of course, no trip to Idaho would be complete without having a potato. And you do know that a potato is a type of root vegetable called a tuber. Potato, you and I, we're not so different. YouTuber,
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 YouTuber.
YouTuber.
Don't look at me like that. I said don't look at me like that. I'm craving potato wedges.
Oh yeah.
Domination has been established. Hey, put it there, brother. Slip me some skin. Psych! Since we last met up on the Kaibab Plateau in northern Arizona, I drove through all of Utah and most of Idaho. Here are some of my more memorable stops along the way. Current Creek in Mona, Utah. The Harland Homestead just outside of Salt Lake City. Pour me a heaping bowl of alpacos. How you doing? Just ducky, thank you. What's up, goats? This fence full of sketchy farm implements in Snowville, Utah. A backyard stay at one of my Boondockers welcome hosts outside of Boise. Raging rivers and crystal clear lakes as we went through the middle of Idaho. A few days in Clarkston, Washington, the gateway to Hell's Canyon. Oh, hell no. Hell no. It's really not as bad as it sounds. We've also been seeing a lot of deer at our camps lately. We have a deer friend. Oh boy. You leave the deer alone, Miso. Which brings us to the present day, late June, in the Palouse. I'm here scouting and researching for a photo tour that I'm going to be running next year at the same time. This area is renowned for its production of wheat, barley, various legumes like chickpeas, and canola. I have some canola oil. I keep it in a bottle labeled distilled white vinegar. I keep my orange juice in a bottle of lemonade, and my milk goes in a bottle of apple juice. There's a system. It's simple. And I keep my Italian salad dressing in a bottle of, you guessed it, lighter fluid. Just kidding, it's in a bottle of Italian dressing. What am I, an idiot? It doesn't take long to realize why the Palouse is a photographer's paradise. Its endless rolling hills, countless shades of color, and fantastic geometry are the stuff that photographers just salivate over. Let's just get out there and explore the Palouse. I've been feeling a little out of shape lately because all of the walking I've been doing has been at my cat's pace. Cats don't walk very fast, and 25 minutes of exercise is a lot for a cat. So today I've decided to take a walk on my own at Kamiak Butte County Park in the Palouse, just so I can get some exercise at a human's pace. Ugh. Why is everything hitting me in the face? Maybe if I walk through at the height of a human instead of a cat. Way better. This is some serious thick woods. Thick woods. Monster thick burger. Are you calling this a trail? If you want to call it a trail, then maintain it like a trail. These are my tax dollars. I am paying your salary. Make this into a trail. This is more like it. Backlighting. I love me some backlighting. Lupin is my favorite. Okay, too much wind. Screw it. Well, that was totally relaxing. Since we last met up, I got a huge crack in my windshield that went all the way to the other side. It's actually a double crack. Wah! I got a crack in my windshield. I can't see! I've been blinded. Crack? What crack? I don't see a crack. Maybe you're on crack. I can see past the crack. In fact, I can see past all of the adversity in my life. What? You've got to be kidding me. I guess we're sticking with the crack. Now it's time for the Miso Update. The Miso Update. Wait, hold on. You have 3 cats? No, it's just one cat, but shown in 3 different strips, you know? So, you have 3 cats? Yes. Miso has been finding ways to enjoy nomadic life even more. Why do you have to dig through my clothes, Miso? She started climbing trees at some of our camps. Oh boy, Miso. You sure you know how to get down from there? Don't get yourself stuck. You know how to get down, right? Good kitty. She's found an even better way to come down from the top of the trailer. Good cat. You're accomplished at this now. Notice how she deftly uses the trailer's brake lights as a way to check her speed as she slides down to the platform. Good kitty. That's a good and smart cat. Who's a good and smart cat? Who's a brave and smart cat? Well, that's all wrapped up. Now let's get going. One of the best aspects of exploring the Palouse is finding all these dilapidated relics strewn throughout the landscape. And all these abandoned structures that are clearly too new to have been made by ancient aliens. Or are they? Like, what the heck is this? An abandoned rock climbing wall? And a ropes course? Really? A ropes course? That was my first abandoned ghost town ropes course. Achievement unlocked. I think the best way to explore the Palouse is to get on the back roads and just drive. While there's nothing here that can really challenge Black Bear the Jeep, it's so fun to just wonder what's around the next corner or over the top of the next hill. One of my favorite drives was on a straight dirt road that straddles the Idaho and Washington border. I'm in Idaho. I'm in Washington. I'm in Idaho. I'm in Washington. Just kidding. The state border is like over there somewhere. I mean, seriously, how are you gonna beat this scenery? Oh yeah, can't you just smell the creosote? Yikes. Yikes. What's up, white cows? You're very white. I took today to make the trip to Palouse Falls, which is unfortunately nowhere near the rest of the Palouse. And it's 94 degrees and very, very dry. But I did make this. So that's not so bad. And there's a ton of pollen here that's making me have an allergy attack.
Well. Worth it.
The most inspiring vantage point from which to digest the entirety of the Palouse is Steptoe Butte. On a clear day, you can see for hundreds of miles around from the summit. Looks like it's shaping up to be a pretty good sunset.
Cameras ready! Get the cameras ready!
Solid! If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure you keep following along. I don't even know where I'm gonna be next, but I do know I'll be back here next year, late June, running my photo tour. Be there or be a loser. Anyway, the Palouse has been super cool. See you next time.
I'm allergic to potatoes.
Ha, revenge is a dish best served with potatoes. Who's your tuber now? It's a 2-sticker trip. Kamiak Butte, Moscow, Idaho.